No matter what you call them, a palmy or a parma, they are a pub favourite, but so are burgers. So let's combine the two and create chicken parmigiana smashburgers. Firstly, you'll need some chicken mince. I picked some up from my butcher Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats because he has the freshest and juiciest chicken around. Just weigh the chicken out to 100 gram balls for smashing precision. Chicken parma needs a great sauce to go with it. So, into a pan you want to put, when your pan's warmed up a little bit, you want to just add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to add some finely chopped brown onion, and we're just going to stir it around until it's translucent, which should take a couple of minutes. And after a few minutes, you can add some chopped garlic and some chili flakes. And we're just going to stir them in for about a minute. Smell that up your nostrils. Next up, add some tomato paste. Oh yeah. And stir that in. Now we're going to add some passata sauce. And some dried herbs, a good pinch of salt and black pepper. And then we're just going to keep stirring this until it thickens up. Give it anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, but just over a medium heat. Don't start cranking up the heat on this or you'll burn it. This is a super easy sauce to make, but it is super tasty. And after 10 minutes, you can just take it off the heat and put it aside. If you try and be lazy and use a ready-made jar sauce, that should be illegal. Italians migrating to America in the 1950s invented chicken parmigiana. They adapted it from a dish using eggplant. And aren't we glad they did, because who's going to go to the pub and order an eggplant? Next up, we'll need a few more ingredients. Buns. We all have them. I mean burger buns. We all have our favourites. I prefer using milk buns at the moment. Mozzarella cheese. Go for slices. And we need to add some parmesan cheese, or as my kids call it, stinky feet cheese. Today we need a flat top grill. It doesn't matter if you're cooking on charcoal using a cast iron pan or a gas top cooker, as long as it's flat. All we need to do is turn on the liquid charcoal, and we're going to let this warm up for 10 minutes. To test out if it's hot enough, put your hand over the grill, not on it, and if you can hold it there for longer than 10 seconds, it's not hot enough. Don't forget to put your grill back in. We need this hot as hell, so don't get all itchy fingered and start throwing cold food on a cold grill. Did you know gas grilling is still more popular than being a vegan? It's true, pie graphs don't lie. Cooking time for this recipe will be 4 minutes. Or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Once the grill is hot, we can oil it up and start cooking our burgers. Food's up. Who ordered a chicken parma? In Victoria, we call them parmas because calling them a palmy sounds like baby talk, and we're not babies. And the results? Super tasty, not dry, but moist. Smack!